Hello and welcome, it's Gillykube and I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland coming to you with another quickish pour. I've got a mixture of paints. I'm using some of the gorgeous Prism pour. They're just mixed with a bit of water if you need them to be thinned down. I've got a bit of the Amsterdam and I've got one of the global. So I've got a mixture of paints, as I like to definitely show you guys what's available and what's working or not working for me. Some people get different things to work for them. Anyway, I'm in the, I've been sort of testing a few ideas out the last few days, so I'm in my kind of testing mode, as you do. So I've got these absolutely gorgeous colours from the Prism pour. This is the Hot Orchid, just look at this. And I've got the, oh my goodness, what's it called? The Chrysocolla. It's that greeny colour. Gorgeous colours. They're all available in Australia now because they are from the US, but they're available at our good old Capriole Shabby Chic, the online store, so it doesn't matter whatsoever if you're in lockdown because Capriole is still as busy as ever getting these paints, all sorts of paints. Doesn't matter what brand, they've got lots of brands there out to you guys. So without further ado, I think I'm going to do something where I do a bit of my Aussie slide. But anyway, I will just go with the flow. So what I've got here is my just white base, which is, this one is global with my glue and water mix with a bit of floetrol. But in the drop down box is the pouring medium description for you guys. I'm going to use my lovely offset spatula because I just absolutely, it does this spreading out of your paint like a whiz. So I just got this from my local homeware store. I'm not sure if Capriole Shabby Chic has got them, but I may have a word and see if they can get them in for you guys because they're not super expensive and they're a great tool because they're offset. Just makes things so much easier than having flat things. That's what I found anyway. So that is my base. I am going to see what I can do with these. So they're I've mixed them up very, very thin. So I'm not sure if I'll try kind of a different composition. That is the word. So that's the Hot Orchid. This is a global paint and it is the metallic silver. So I will literally just see what I can get out of this. This is that the green, emerald green sparkle, but it's that name I can't pronounce. Wowzers trousers, what gorgeous colours. And this one is the global metallic gold, I think. Yeah, it must be. And I think I'll add some of that Hot Orchid in again. It is super duper delicious. It's kind of a different composition and you just got to try them. Try. I'll go back with some more gold. It just looks lovely as it is actually. I think I'm going to leave it. That's it. I'm done. I'm finished. And this is the I'll just double check the colour. It's beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. Which one was it? Salon Cinnamon. Look at this. Oh, it's like liquid luster. It is a liquid luster. Now I'm thinking that I'll put I've got the blue in the Amsterdam and I mixed a bit of black in it because it was kind of a bluey green. what actually was the colour? That was the Prussian blue phthalo, and I mixed a little bit of black, so I wanted it. I don't know whether to actually try a ninja. Let's give this a go, hey? I don't know whether I'd like to see what blowing, let me see what, a little, just blowing with my mouth, not all with the, what you call it, the straw. Let me just see what we get. Oh, holy dooly jackaroony. Oh my goodness, that is beyond gorgeous. Oh, I love it. Let me see. I love these straws because the end is bendy. It's a stainless steel straw with a silicone end, and I think they're meant to suck through that way in your drink, but they work perfect for us acrylic pourers because you can direct it. I think I'm going to keep, let me see, I'll do kind of a swipe down here, so it's a bit of a test then, hey? So that blowing up there has done a wonderful job. That is just lacy. Let's see what I get here. Oh, holy dooly. Oh, you should see the colours in this. It is beautiful. That's gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. My dogs want their dinner. I'm going to blow down this way. So you can do a myriad of different things. You don't have to stick to the one method. So I've got the straw blow there, I've got the Aussie slide there. Just go a little bit more with that. Oh my goodness. Let's put some of this up here. Should I? Look at that. Look at that. Wow. I'm going every which way but loose. Is loose every which way but loose or loose? That was the Clint Eastwood movie, wasn't it? With the gorgeous orangutan, which I love those too. I love all animals, but orangutans, oh, just gorgeous. Okay, I've just blobbed in there, but never fear. The straw is here. Holy dooly. Look at these. I'll have to come down closer and show you these cells that I'm getting. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Very, very happy with that. Now, what do I do down here? Do I keep the blowy thing or the swipey thing? Ah! So I've got a bit of the swipe, the blow, the pour. Wowzers, it is all in there. Just go with your creative juices and just let it. That is gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. This all dries like this colour. That is a fantasy. psychedelic garden. I'm going to bring you down here and have a look at these cells because it is something really special. Here we go, people. Look at this. Look at the shimmer in the colours, but look at those effects that the lovely, soft, delicate. Oh, that looks like a profile. Oh my goodness, who does that look like? I've seen it straight away, but I won't say his name. Let's move right along. Look at those cells. And look at this. Look at this Aussie slide. That was, oh my goodness. That was the Aussie slide going over the Prism pour paint with the Aussie floetrol. Look at that. So soft and delicate. Look at this. Look at the effects you get. It is absolutely gorgeous. What's the next one? And just look at the absolute shimmer. Shimmer me timbers. It is absolutely deliciously gorgeous. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, I'm going on too much because I just love it. Let me turn around, give you a whole. There we go. That's my gorgeous little kind of day of the wonderful triffids. Or whatever you'd like to call it. Give me a name for it. But it is lovely. It was exciting to do because I love to see what just developed with very little work from me, and that's absolutely awesome. So without any more said, I will say goodbye for today. Please be back with me again tomorrow and let me know what you think of this absolutely awesome little creation here. I am loving it. Love, love, love. So bye for now. See you tomorrow.